So guys, we got two tornadoes. This one right here and a rope tornado in the background. I don't know if you notice it right there, but there's like a baby rope tornado in the background. And this huge wedge right here. This ain't the biggest one I've ever seen, this wedge right here, but it was surely due to a nice capture. There's two tornadoes. There's one in the rain now. That little rope is now being engulfed by rain. This one's starting to be engulfed. But this is part 3 because this is that same tornado that I've chased in the last 2 videos now. So, see y'all guys.